Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 40 NxtPaper, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Obviously, we're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is visible on the first page right over here. But if you don't see it on the first one, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional page. Anyway, once you see this toggle, you can hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will actually function. I'm going to touch upon the more important options like calls and messages. So here you can select who can call you or message you, and you have the option between anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. For this purpose, I'm going to select no one. Messages has the same option. And the reason I select no one is because there's an additional option, repeated callers. So the message states that if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. So by default, no one should be able to call me. But if they meet the requirement, they will bypass my none option. So it might be a good option to have enabled in terms of emergencies. Usually people will spam call you, which would at that point trigger this option. Anyway, going a little bit further down, we have schedules. Now there's always one pre-made called sleeping, which starts at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. and runs all week long. You can utilize this one if you want. You can also tap on the text and then change the settings of it, or you can also click right here to add more schedules, name it whatever you want, select add, and just as before you have the same options. You can select the start and time, days of the week, and yeah, that's about it. So let's say I want to have one running from actually Monday through Friday, so like so, and I'm gonna make it something like not what I just selected. Just make it from 9 to 5. There we go. And once you set it up, it automatically actually becomes enabled. So if you don't want it to be running right now, you could turn it off. And it is right now. Actually, no, it just literally is past the time. So it's 11 minutes past 5. So it would actually turn off like 10 minutes ago if I set it up earlier. But in any case, it will then, once it's enabled, it will turn on tomorrow as an example. And it will start at the 9 p.m. AM that I have set up, and end at 5 p.m. that I have chosen. So if you're planning to use the schedule, just make sure it's enabled right here, and that's it. For everyone else who wants to use the Do Not Disturb mode manually on just random occasion, once it's set up, you can find the toggle and simply click on it. As you can see, it changes to on, and that's it. It's right now running in the background, which you can see with this kind of cross icon right here. So yeah, once you're done with it, you can also manually turn it off by finding the toggle and simply tapping on it once more. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.